Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This week I have decided to try the famous cabbage soup diet that's making the rounds on the internet. The ingredients are as follows: cabbage, celery, carrots, tomatoes, peppers, onions, parsley, thyme, stock, garlic, and ginger. I'm quickly going to show you how I cooked mine, but you're welcome to cook it anyhow you like. And guys, the cabbage soup diet requires you to eat large quantities of cabbage soup. You are not allowed to eat anything else. You may eat it as much as you like. Drink lots of water. Only green tea and black unsweetened coffee is allowed. Proponents of the diet say that it can help you lose up to 10 pounds or 4.5 kgs in 10 days. I'm only going to be doing it for 5 days. Please note that I did not measure anything. I cooked enough cabbage soup for 5 days.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can't sit beside you while nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
Okay, sorry about that. There is this jean. It does not fit me anymore. I'm going to wear it for you guys, and hopefully got day 21 this jean will be fitting me. How gorgeous is this jean? And it does not fit me, really. But yeah, guys, this was me 3 weeks ago on the 1st of September 2021, before I tried the coffee and lemon concoction and before I could do the Grow with Joe 5-mile walking challenge. As much as I lost back fat and belly fat from those challenges, I still couldn't fit in this jean. So let's see what's gonna happen when I try the cabbage soup diet.
Everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago.
Guys, so I have my cabbage soup. I have my cabbage soup in this lunchbox because I'm going somewhere real quick, so I can't eat anything else, and I don't want to get there and be weak in front of people. So I have my cabbage soup and water, and that's what I'm going to be eating, and I will see you guys later when I come back. So guys, I'm back home and I've been sitting on the couch for the past hour or two, and right now, let me see, what time is it? It is Garapas. It's 16:14 actually, almost Garapas 4. And I'm thinking, do I really wanna like eat the soup now, or probably I think I will have it later, guys. Like, I don't feel like having it. I'm a little bit weak, but it's it's I can handle it. I wanted to work out, but I feel like, what? I should just take it a little bit easy this week. I really, really, really enjoy doing Grow with Joe's exercises. So this week I feel like, sis, what are you doing? But I just wanted to try this cabbage soup diet because I've seen great results while I was watching other people's videos. And of course, I took the recipe from Vicky Versatile. Yes. So I've been drinking water, guys. This is my second bottle. This is 750 mils and it's my second bottle. So I'm not doing too bad in terms of drinking water. Good morning, guys. So today I was really irritated in the morning because I was hungry. I was hangry actually. So I guess that's why if I did not expect visitors, because I'm expecting visitors today, I was not gonna get up, you guys, if I'm being honest. But now I'm about to have my soup. Let me show it to you. I'm about to have my soup so that I can have the, the courage to cook for my visitors. And yeah, that is the update for day 2. And yeah, guys, I'm hoping now I feel much better because I had green tea. So I'm hoping I will be able to work out. Fingers crossed.
Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying ego. Oh, look here he goes.
Little update, guys. At least I managed to fix my wig, and this is very difficult, guys. This is the most difficult diet I've ever tried, and I'm pretty sure this is gonna be the last time, the first and the last time I do this cabbage soup diet. But you know what, I don't know if I'm hungry or I have cravings. I really cannot tell the difference. And I wanted to exercise later today, but I don't think that's gonna happen. But for now, guys, I'm still waiting for my people to come for a visit so that I don't have to just sit here and do nothing.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy,
guys. So I was ready to take a walk. I was gonna take you guys with me, but honestly, guys, I do not feel like it's my body saying no. Actually, like, I have a slight headache. I'm thinking I need to take, like, I've been drinking water. I don't even know why I have a slight headache. So I'm tired. I'm tired of the soup diet, guys. I'm really tired. I think right now I'm just gonna have the soup again and drink lots of water. If I still have a headache later on in about an hour, then I will probably take grandpa's, because ciao, I feel like you can even hear it from my voice. So it's rough.
it's a little harder. I wanna love out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love out loud.
You can lose up to 10 pounds in 10 days on this cabbage soup diet, and I lost 4.4 pounds in 5 days. So I'm happy. Please note that these results are built up from the past two challenges I did, namely coffee lemon concoction and Grow with Joe's 5 mile walking workout. If you have not watched those videos, please check the description box for the direct links.
Out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder.
Guys, honestly, the fact that this jean fits me, it really melts my heart, and it also shows that consistency is key, and I'm not going to stop until I reach my goal. I'm not going to be stopping anytime soon, child. I will be uploading every single Monday, and I'm hoping that, you know what, soon I will see, like, I will reach my goal. I am not in a hurry because I'm really, really motivated. You guys really motivate me, and I'm so happy that I actually motivate you guys. Like, consistency is key, guys. And remember, you're gonna have like setbacks, as you also, like, my week was horrible. Like, I did not understand why I should be eating like cabbage soup, but you know what, I did it. I'm happy, guys. I don't even know what to say. I'm just like, I'm really, really, really happy. And remember, guys, if I can do it, like, I love food. Like, I'm really, really obsessed with food. So if I can do it, you surely can as well. So do not ever, ever give up, and please do subscribe to this channel.